Today we are going to Maspo Bag Factory right here in Bangkok, Thailand. So they make custom bags, they make hard shell bags like the one I ordered, and they can also um really customize any other bag that you like for your factory for personal reasons. And I actually saw their product way back, like 5 years ago. However, it was not really viable for me. It's too expensive. So I just remember their product, and then I started searching it on Facebook as always. So there's a few options. Because I don't want a new bag anyway, because it's really expensive. So I'm just looking for a second-hand one. However, every time I message them, they never reply. I actually messaged a few other people other than this guy here. They just read my message and then just, I don't know, nothing. I would get no response at all. So what should I do? I messaged their Maspo Thailand page. Because I remember they had one in platinum, which is like this, from what I remember. However, they are closed now. I think they closed during the pandemic season. And they gave me a new address to go to, which is Serithai, a place I haven't been to yet. And yeah, so one thing led to another. I was just ordering a Ninja, but this guy is offering a clip lock version. Yeah, she's saying it's more stronger, just for an additional 400 baht. So I arranged a meeting there, and yeah, so let me check out the map right here. So you might be wondering why I'm showing you a map every time, because I just want to show you that some entries in the Thailand Google Map app is not really specific or accurate, or let's say updated. It just keeps on showing the old Maspo shop, and even if you have the exact address, it's not gonna show you the exact same building or area that you need to find. So I really had struggled a bit to look for the exact place, and there's a bit of juggling that went on about which comes first, the number first or the road first or the area. And I guess I got lucky. I found the place after a few minutes. See, it's still showing something else, and then I was able to zero in on it in about a few minutes. However, here's the clincher. The place that I found I think is the home. Oh yeah, this is Serithai Road. It's the home of the owner of Maspo. When I click this start one, yeah, it shows this one, right? And when you go to Street View, it will show you a house. So when I first went there, I went to that place, and the they told me that that is not their like factory. So I actually went to this exact same gate right here. So this is not their actual place of operation. So yeah. So if you don't have insurance yet, you can try Rujai. Rujai is simple, affordable, and reliable online insurance in Thailand. You can get your insurance quote in 60 seconds, and you can actually get insurance coverage in just 15 minutes. Of course, given that you submit all your documents in time. And then you will get rewards when you click on my link in the description box below. So yeah, you get I think 100 baht rewards immediately once you apply for Rujai. And from what I know, Rujai is the #1 motorbike insurance in Thailand. They also have other insurance types. They have, of course, car insurance, medical, and also cancer insurance. So, yeah. If you're interested, please click down below. For the meantime, enjoy the ride. Okay, so we got lost a little bit here, but this is the real Maspo shop. So this is the correct address. Actually, I think I passed by here earlier. So let's go inside. I already met Khun Nirut. So let me just take off my shoes. No need. Okay, all right. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you.
Alright, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, just the small factory.
Yes.
It's not that big.
So let's take a look. So as I've read on your website, it's been 30 years, right?
Yep.
30 years company. So they do a lot of different kinds of bags.
Yep.
Yeah. So all kinds of bags. Alright. So let's take a look. Alright.
This one for like the DFT screen
Okay.
and some like the small studio.
Okay, so they make everything here in-house, right? And based on my research, they can ask for like a custom bag, right?
Yeah. OEM we can. Actually we have our product like backpack, shopping bag that is still on the Tuna market and many night market in Thailand, the wholesale market. So we have produced the motor bag, backpack, school bag, and all the OEM from the Thailand or the overseas can order.
So yeah, so if you are interested in ordering kind of different bags, actually they have everything here. From what I ordered is the hard shell bag, this kind of bag, this type, but this is another model. So I ordered one here, so we'll take a look in a bit. But they can also ask, from what I remember from their website, it's a minimum of 100 pieces, right? Something like that, right? So they can order. So if you want school bags or bags for your company, then you can order. So okay, so let's. Okay, so I got the clip lock, right? Clip lock.
Gray color.
Gray, yeah. So it matches my bike. I think I passed by here earlier,
Alright.
but I just went to the wrong. Alright.
Got the bubble.
Yeah. I think I will use it going home. I cannot carry this bag. So yeah. So there are different kinds here. So the race fit, clip lock, ninja, and take the smaller one. Right, awesome. See? So do a full review of this when I go home. Alright. So yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. As always, thank you for watching. Click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Ride safely.